Replacing a chain at 0.75% wear instead of 0.5% triples your repair bill by destroying the cassette. Here is the mathematical schedule to save your drivetrain.
Every ride begins with pressure. Modern 30mm tubeless setups lose 5 to 10 psi overnight due to membrane permeability. Riding soft increases rolling resistance by roughly 15% and risks catastrophic rim strikes on carbon hooks.
Every 300 kilometers, lubricate. Friction testing confirms a dirty chain consumes 3 to 5 watts compared to a clean one. If you ride in wet conditions, have this interval immediately to prevent grit paste abrasion.
The most critical financial metric is chain elongation. At 2,000 kilometers, check wear. If it hits 0.5%, replace the $40 chain immediately. If you wait until 0.75%, the pitch mismatch destroys your $300 cassette. At 4,000 kilometers, inspect brake pads. Discard if material thickness drops below 1 millimeter. For mechanical shifting, cable friction increases non-linearly. Replace housing now before shifting becomes vague and frustrating.
Major wear items land between 5,000 and 10,000 kilometers. Check tires for squaring off and visible wear indicators. Listen for bottom bracket creaks. Modern press fit tolerances are tight, so noise usually indicates dry bearings needing grease, not replacement.
The ROI on home tools is approximately 1,000%. A torque wrench, chain checker, and hex set cost $100 total. This investment prevents stripped carbon threads and premature drivetrain death, saving thousands over the bike's life. For 2026 electronic group sets like SRAM Red E1 or Shimano Dura Ace, annual hydraulic bleeds are non-negotiable. DOT fluid absorbs moisture from the air, lowering the boiling point and risking brake fade on long descents.
Stop fixing things when they break. Switch to predictive maintenance based on mileage to minimize running costs. Buy a high-quality chain checker today. It is the single most profitable purchase you will make for your cycling kit.
Maintain by the numbers, not by the noise.